Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing perfume that I absolutely love. This stuff is great for any occasion. It is so fresh smelling. It is called Chloe, and this one here in particular, this is the Rollerball. It does come in different sizes. It does come in bigger perfume bottles, but I really like the small Rollerball that I can take anywhere with me. You can throw it in your purse, easy to travel when you're going anywhere. And this has beautiful floral scents to it. Just to name a few, you have rose, you have lily of the valley, magnolia, peonies, and you also have a beautiful scent of amber and cedar wood as well. It is so fresh smelling. It reminds me of fresh laundry that you're folding or walking outside, just getting that fresh smell of springtime. It's just something that I absolutely love. I don't like anything too strong. It always smells great at any occasion that you have. It's just something that I like to have with me if I'm going out and you just want to smell pretty. That's just my point of view.